Good morning, ladies. This is Dr. Renette. Sorry I've been away for a while. I was attending my husband who's in hospital now. I just want to share a thought with you. Some of us has come to the end of ourselves, devastated by our past and what we did. But when we let go and let God, and when He enters into our lives, it is with the roar of thunder. And when He takes our broken pieces into His loving hands, it's with the flair and precision of a sculpture. He doesn't repair us. He doesn't recycle us. When God enters and starts working on us, He creates a new us, a new you. All we have to do is to trust Him, to let go and let God, to focus on Him and wait. It's in the waiting that He refines us. He doesn't waste one unhappy moment or one teardrop. He uses everything for the new you He's planning to create. That's all I want to say today, ladies. Take care. God bless. Stay warm. Stay sweet. Shalom.